Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about the right methodology and the research tool that you require to ensure that you can scale your business and give you the proper elements and the power to select the right product to put on your dropshipping business. And the first website and tool that you need to go and head over and check out is Ecomhunt.com. Now, Ecomhunt.com is a curation of the best new products every single day. There are tools from the Ecom Classic to the Ecom Live to the Lucky Tracker admin extension is one of a kind. And one of the reasons I absolutely love Ecomhunt is because they have already gone in great detail in selecting the right product for you to buy. If you click on this element over here, they can give you the complete breakdown of what the product is about, and you can also check it on AliExpress and sell it on AutoDS as well. And you can see the full description from the pictures that's available. And the main thing I personally feel that makes them differentiate is the fact that they give you the selling price, they give you the actual product cost and the profit margin that you can make by selling this particular product. So if you want to make sure that you select a product that definitely is going to be a seller, head over to ecomhunt.com. The second and most interesting platform and tool that you could use is AliExtractor.com. With a flawless insight, instant result, and a profit driven, you can stop wasting time on product research and let AliExtractor do the heavy lifting. You can find the best-selling AliExpress products for you. You can view the product reviews and get cash back on almost every product from AliExpress. You can save your favorite searches and compare the prices on the third-party websites. You can download your image instantly and so much more. With the one e-commerce store owner that saves $16,796 per year and a 13-hour per week with AliExtractor. This is the #1 tool for the AliExpress product research, the only app that pays to source the products and knows exactly what vendors to work with, because AliExtractor removes the guessing and the information overload, which vendors are the best to work with. With a click of a button, you can become a leader by offering trending items that can highly rated vendors are already successfully selling. While you've uncovered products that customers love, you can easily earn 8% cash back every time you source new products, 100% risk-free, and a 14-day money-back guarantee. So test drive AliExtractor today, and if you're not as impressed, you can always get cash back as well. Now, the third and the most interesting one is Thieve.co, and discover on-trend dropshipping products and the ultimate tool. This has been trusted by 400,000 members. This is a #1 top voted product of the day, guys. And obviously, if you just look at the way they've developed the elements, is truly beautiful. From daily winning products, and you can get 4,000 beautiful projects curated by a community of creatives, designer, bloggers, and e-com experts. They know what to sell before you spend a cent on ads, guys, and that is saving you a hell of a lot of money, because they collect the data from millions of real consumer interactions to provide you with the popularity and conversion scores on every product. You can create beautiful product pages that actually convert and curate and produce the best supplier image for each product, saving you hours and hours of making your product pages look clean and trustworthy, guys. So get instant access to over 4,000 hand-picked trending products just by clicking try the supply for free. Just put your email address and you're good to go. With the ultimate dropshipping tool, the superpower that your product research can save every single month. Instantly find the product and supply for any products and see what the top store are selling and just copy them. There's no need to reinvent the wheel, guys. All you need to do is focus on selecting the right product and the right tool to find that product, and you can explore the trending search terms to uncover untapped niches and find your niche and everything that you need to dominate. A curated list of trending and evergreen niches with in-depth analysis from their e-com experts. You get the example products, the audio demographics, an example dropship store, a profitability audit, and related keywords as well. So it's that simple and straightforward. Moving on to our next and the most interesting tool that you could use use is the AliInsider.com, where you can find the most profitable dropshipping products in a click. You can analyze the competition, check the saturation of any product, find the top suppliers, and target markets. You get a 30% off the premium plan if you sign up right now, guys. You can spy on the competition, which is crucial because you can check out the competitions in Shopify, eBay, Amazon for any AliExpress product and see how many units they sell and their revenue, their stores, their target markets, their product description, their prices, and the date that they started selling. And you can get the list of the new trending products with a low number of competitors that started to dropship fast. And weeks after you've seen it, dropshippers will start talking about the new trend product, but you already have a leg up on the game. You can choose the right niche for your store by checking out the total number of dropship orders and the revenue for the whole niche, along with the analytics for the top selling products. And the best thing is the fact that you can get all the inside Chrome extensions as well and spot profitable products right on AliExpress and check the competitor stores for any products, and they get the deep drop shipping stats for any product that saves you time and money on testing new products and instantly find out which products work for others. See which products are dropship, the number of daily dropship orders, the number of competitors, and the competitors' revenues, countries where products are dropship, and so much more. Find the best suppliers in a click, guy, because there's no need for exhausting clicking on every product on AliExpress to check which suppliers separately. So get a list of all the suppliers for any product with a logistic information like ePacket and AliExpress standard shipping methods, warehouse locations, time, and the price of delivery to different countries, and the total number of orders that a supplier tends to have. So get the most profitable dropshipping products at the moment, guys. Find the new trending products with low competition, and best of all, check the profitability niche of any products. You can check the products by selling countries. You can find suppliers that ship from the USA, Europe, and Australia. And the best thing is that you can add all these elements in one place because it's as simple, straightforward, easy as that. Now you get the different methodologies of billing. You get the 1 month, the 3 month, the 6 month, and the 12 month. You save 20% with the 3 month. You save 2 months for free for 6 month, and you get 5 months free for 12 months. The free needs no account with the premium at $19.95 per month, and you get so many elements with every single one of them, guys. And obviously, as you increase, you can always get more support and more help. And I always mention to individuals to start off with the free one, then gradually upgrade and go to the next level, because as your business starts taking off, you will have the finances to scale your business. So keep your fixed costs as low as possible initially, and as your business starts to grow, you start to grow and you start using the tools that can enhance you and take you to heights that you've never known before, guys. And the last one that we're going to talk about is AliShark.com, but you would need $1 to start it. You can pay by your PayPal or with your credit card and start finding the products that you need to sell. It's as simple as that, guys. So if you're interested in any one of these, guys, do let us know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, guide you, and to assist you. Now, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. You can share this video with your friends and with your family on your social media, on your Facebook, on your WhatsApp, on your Instagram, on your TikTok, so more people can find out the right tool to find the right product to sell onto a dropshipping store and break away from the 9-to-5 and get the financial freedom that they always wanted, because at the end of the day, you need multiple passive incomes to ensure that you can live a luxurious and a financially peaceful life in today's time and period. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.